DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum students. Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Alhamdulillah. I am fine. I hope you all are well. Welcome to DPS TeleClass. Before beginning today's lesson, let's recite the dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Today also Kudumis is here to take a thematic lesson for grade 2. Our topic is shapes. Now I am going to share the learning intentions and success criteria of the day. Learning intentions. Today we are going to learn about different 2D shapes, organic shapes and 3D shapes. What we have to learn? Today we have to learn about 2D shapes, organic shapes and 3D shapes. Success criteria of the day. You will be successful if you can identify and name different 2D shapes, 3D shapes and organic shapes. You have to identify and name these 3 types of shapes. Okay children, what you have to learn? You have to learn 2D shapes, organic shapes and 3D shapes. Students, do you think about what is a shapes? Any idea about shapes? In today's lesson, what we are going to learn about shapes? A shape or figure is the form of an object or its external boundary, outline or external surface. It is the meaning of a shape. So now I am going to explain what is a 2D shapes. What is a 2D shapes? How do you know it is a 2D shapes? 2D shapes are shapes with 2 dimensions, such as width and height. 2D shapes have 2 dimensions. An example of a 2D shape is a rectangle or a circle. This is a 2 example of a 2D shape. It's a rectangle or a circle. 2D shapes are flat and cannot be physically held because they have no depth. A 2D shape is completely flat. 2D shapes has two dimensions. So 2D means a shape is two-dimensional. Students, can you tell what shape is this? Any idea about these shapes? Yes, I am a circle. This shape is a circle. How many angles and sides does this shape have? It has only one curved side and it has no angles. Okay, children, a circle has only one curved side and it has no angles. What shape is this? This is a triangle. How many sides and how many angles does this shape have? A triangle have three straight sides and three angles. How many angles? A triangle have three angles and three sides. Children, did you know what shape is this? Any idea about these shapes? A square. Very good. This is a square. It's like a gift box, dice, or table. Do you know how many sides and how many angles does square have? A square have four straight sides, all of equal length, and four angles. A square has four straight sides and all of equal length. All sides are equal and it have four angles. What shape is this? Is it a square? Or is it a triangle? No, it is a rectangle. What shape is this? It is a rectangle. How many sides and how many angles does it have? It have four straight sides. Two sides are longer, look like. A rectangle have four sides. Two sides are longer and two sides are short. It has how many angles? A rectangle have four angles. How many angles? Four. Four sides and four angles. Two sides are long and other two sides are short. It looks like a door, chocolate, blackboard, like that. So students, now let's learn some geometric shapes. Students, do you know what is a geometric shapes? A geometric shapes can be defined as figure or area closed by a boundary which is created by combining the specific amount of curves, points and lines. This is a geometric shape. Now I am going to show some of the geometric shapes. Children, can you name this shape? What shape is this? It is a triangle. In triangle have how many sides and how many angles? It have 3 sides and 3 angles. Can you tell the name of this shape? What shape is this? Oh, well done. It is a square. Square also have 4 equal sides and 4 angles. How many sides a square have? 4 sides and 4 angles. What shape is this? This is a circle. Circle have only one curved and no angles. It doesn't have any angles. What shape is this? It is a star. Can you guess what shape is this? It is a rectangle. A rectangle have how many sides and how many angles? It has 4 sides and 4 angles. 2 sides are long and other 2 sides are short. Oval. Oval also a geometric shape. Diamond. What shape is this? It is a crescent. Oh, it is a heart. These are some of the example of geometric shapes. Did you name some of the geometric shapes? Some example of geometric shapes are triangle, square, circle, star, rectangle, oval, diamond, crescent and heart. These are the some of geometric shapes. Now I am going to explain some of the organic shapes. Organic shapes have a natural look. They have a flowing and curvy appearance. Here are some of the examples of organic shapes. Tree, a shape of leaf. Cloud, water drop, flower, and the shapes of grass, apple. Here are some of the examples of organic shapes. The most obvious example of organic forms are realistic representations of the natural world or living things. Organic shapes are shapes with a natural look and a flowing and curving appearance. Organic shapes and forms are typically irregular or asymmetrical. Organic shapes are associated with things from the natural world, like plants and animals. A 3D object has length, breadth, and height. 3D shapes with 3 dimensions such as width, height, and depth. An example of a 3D shape is a prism or a sphere. 3D shapes are multidimensional and can be physically held. Some of the 3D shapes are cube, cone, pyramid, prism, cylinder, cuboid, and sphere. These are some of the examples of 3D shape. They are cube, cone, pyramid, cylinder, cuboid, and sphere. New vocabs. Here are the some vocabs you will learn this lesson. New vocabs are oval, organic shape, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, geometric, triangle, square and rectangle. These are some of the new vocabs you will learn in this lesson. So students, now let's play a game. Check the real life object resembling each 2D shapes. Children, what shape is this? This is a circle. It resembling a door, bag or a wheel. Which one is a real life object? A circle resembling? Yes, well done. It resembling a wheel. What shape is this? This is a triangle. Have you any idea about which object resembling a triangle? Cloth hanger, cane or a book? Which one is correct? Yes, well done. It resembling a cloth hanger. A square. Can you guess any object a square resembling? Was correct? No. A clock or a plate? Which one is the correct answer? Yes, very good. It resembling a clock. Well done. What shape is this? It is a rectangle. Which object resembling the rectangle shape? Blackboard, CD or a cone? Which one is the correct answer? The correct object is blackboard. Fantastic. Oval. Which object resembling an oval shape? Ball, correct? No, it's not a ball. TV or a egg? Which object is the correct object? Yes, brilliant. Egg resembling the shapes of oval. Heart, correct? Pot. Which object is the correct one? Yes, very good. Now let's recall the success criteria. Summary of the lesson. In today's lesson, we are learning different types of 2D shapes, 3D shapes, and organic shapes. Some of the 2D shapes are circle, square, rectangle, oval, right? And some of the 3D shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, and sphere. I hope you will get some new information about 2D shapes and 3D shapes, and also you will learn the organic shapes. Students, now I am going to explain you the task of today's lesson. Here is the first task. Your first task is color the geometric shapes given and name them. Do this task on your creative art textbook, page number 15. 1-5. Complete your task and take a picture of it and send it to your class teacher. Don't forget to write the date. So students, here is the last task of today's lesson. Here are some examples of pictures. You take an idea about. Task 2 is the last task of today's lesson. Create your own picture using different types of shapes. Do this work on your art book, your drawing book. Don't forget to draw a margin and write the date. You have to create any pictures using different types of shape. After completing your work, take a photo and send it to your class teacher through Viber. Students, this is the end of today's lesson. I hope you will enjoy today's lesson and have some new information about 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Complete your work and send a picture to your class teacher through Viber. Thank you, students. Stay safe, stay home. Wassalamu alaikum.
DPS TeleClass